So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. 7 tips to make more money with Amazon Flex. You want to read this one?
Yeah, so this is 7 ways you can make more as an Amazon Flex driver. So you want to drive a more fuel efficient vehicle.
Yeah, like a Tesla or like a Mercedes.
Yeah. Write your gas off as a business expense.
Use Solo to track all your expenses, guys.
Yes.
Link below. They'll send you $10 when you sign up for free.
They'll also help you with your taxes. So taxes are due April 17th, 18th?
I don't know.
It needs to be done soon, so.
Oh, reserve shifts. Yeah, you want to make sure you do reserve shifts for sure. The fact of the matter is that sometimes you have to set a schedule for yourself. Yeah, because you can sign up for reserve shifts blocks so you can have guaranteed income. Get to the fulfillment center early. Organize your packages ahead of time so you know which ones you're giving out first. Because you might get 20, 25 packages in no order. Oh, holiday season. You know, hella people ship stuff during the holidays because they want to send gifts to each other.
Yeah. Yeah, holiday season is a really good time to make a lot of money with Amazon Flex.
Honestly, for anything.
Oh yeah, when there's bad weather.
Because you're going to make more because there's not a lot of other drivers out there.
Yeah, and people are going to be like ordering more because they don't want to go out and drive themselves.
True. So you can make $25 an hour. And yeah, after expenses, it says that drivers usually make around 18. So yeah, that's Amazon Flex. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.